Hey everyone, it's Tectonic. Today we're exposing 7 everyday habits that could be quietly shortening your life. These aren't just the obvious bad choices, these are things woven right into your daily routine. Ready to find out what they are and how to fix them? Let's jump in. Let's start with night shift work, a reality for millions of people around the world. Whether you're a nurse, a factory worker, a security guard, or someone keeping a convenience store open through the night, working outside the traditional 9-to-5 schedule is more common than ever. These jobs are essential, keeping our cities running while most people sleep. But there's a hidden cost to working against the clock. When you disrupt your natural sleep cycle, you throw off your circadian rhythm, the internal clock that tells your body when to sleep, wake, eat, and even when to repair itself. This rhythm is deeply connected to the cycle of day and night, and it controls everything from hormone release to cell repair and metabolism. When you're awake at night and trying to sleep during the day, your body's natural signals get confused, making it harder to fall asleep, stay asleep, and feel rested. Decades of research show that night shift workers face significantly higher risks of serious health problems. These include increased rates of certain cancers, especially breast and prostate cancer, as well as heart disease, obesity, diabetes, and other metabolic issues. One of the main reasons is the reduction in melatonin, a hormone that's only produced in darkness and plays a crucial role in protecting your cells from damage. Melatonin is sometimes called the hormone of darkness. It's a powerful antioxidant and anti-cancer agent, helping your body repair itself while you sleep. But when you're exposed to bright lights at night, whether from overhead lights, screens, or city lights, your body gets the message that it's still daytime. This suppresses melatonin production, leaving your cells more vulnerable to damage and disease. If you can't avoid working night shifts, there are ways to help your body adjust. Use blackout curtains or blinds to make your bedroom as dark as possible during the day, and consider wearing a sleep mask. In the morning, use a light therapy box or get outside into natural sunlight as soon as you wake up. This helps reset your internal clock and signals your body that it's time to be awake. Try to stick to a regular sleep schedule even on your days off. Going to bed and waking up at the same times every day helps your body establish a new rhythm. Make your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. Use earplugs or a white noise machine if needed. Small changes like adjusting the thermostat or arranging your pillows for comfort can make a big difference in sleep quality. Avoid screens, like phones, tablets, and TVs, at least an hour before bed, since the blue light they emit can further suppress melatonin. Instead, try relaxation techniques such as deep breathing, meditation, or gentle stretching to help your body wind down. Reading a book with a soft, warm light can also signal to your brain that it's time to rest. Regular medical checkups are especially important for night shift workers. Talk to your doctor about your work schedule and any symptoms you're experiencing, like fatigue, trouble sleeping, or mood changes. Early detection of health issues can make a big difference, so don't hesitate to bring up your concerns. While you can't erase all the risks of night shift work, these small changes can make a real difference in your health and well-being. Prioritizing sleep, eating nutritious meals, and staying hydrated can help your body cope with the demands of working against its natural rhythm. Remember, your job is important, but so is your health. Taking care of yourself isn't selfish, it's essential for you, your loved ones, and the people who depend on you at work. Pay attention to your circadian rhythm, track your sleep habits, make adjustments as needed, and celebrate small victories, like a good night's rest or a productive day after a restful sleep. When you take care of your body's natural clock, it will take care of you in return. Don't ignore the warning signs. Chronic fatigue, irritability, or trouble concentrating are signals that your body needs rest. Prioritize your sleep, listen to your body, and seek support if you need it. Your health is worth it. Next up, air pollution. It's something we all encounter, whether we realize it or not. Every day, billions of people around the world breathe in air that's less than ideal, especially in busy cities where smog and haze are a common sight. But even if you live far from the city, air pollution can still find its way to you. The real culprit is something you can't see with the naked eye: tiny particles called PM 2.5. These microscopic pollutants are so small that they can slip past your body's natural defenses. When you breathe them in, they travel deep into your lungs and can even enter your bloodstream. Over time, this exposure causes inflammation throughout your body, silently increasing your risk for serious health problems like heart attacks, strokes, and even certain types of cancer. It's not just about coughing or feeling short of breath. These particles can have long-term effects on your overall health. Studies have shown that people who live in areas with cleaner air tend to live longer, healthier lives. The difference is striking. Air quality can literally add years to your life. Imagine the contrast between a bustling city filled with exhaust fumes and a peaceful countryside with crisp, clean air. The benefits of breathing cleaner air are clear: less disease, more energy, and a better quality of life as you age. Of course, not everyone can just pack up and move to the countryside. But there are practical steps you can take to protect yourself and your loved ones. Using a HEPA air purifier at home can significantly reduce the amount of harmful particles indoors. On days when pollution levels are high, keeping your windows closed can help keep dirty air out. Small changes in your daily routine can make a big difference over time. When it comes to exercise, try to avoid busy roads and high-traffic areas. Parks, trails, and green spaces are much better options for your lungs. Before heading outside, check your local air quality index using a smartphone app or website. If pollution levels are high, consider rescheduling your outdoor activities or moving them indoors. Your lungs will thank you. Adding certain houseplants like snake plants or peace lilies can help improve indoor air quality a little bit. While they're not a complete solution, they do add a touch of green and can help filter out some toxins, making your home environment healthier and more pleasant. If you know you're exposed to air pollution regularly, it's especially important to monitor your blood pressure and cholesterol. These are key indicators of your heart health, and keeping them in check can help offset some of the risks associated with polluted air. Regular checkups with your doctor and healthy lifestyle choices go a long way. Every breath of cleaner air is a small victory for your body. Whether it's stepping outside on a clear day, opening a window to let in a breeze, or spending time in nature, these moments add up. They help your lungs recover and give your body a break from the constant assault of pollution. So, don't underestimate the impact of the air you breathe. It's easy to overlook, but the quality of your air shapes your health in powerful ways. By making a few mindful choices, you can protect yourself and your family and enjoy the benefits of cleaner, healthier air every single day. When we think about brushing and flossing, it's easy to see them as simple daily chores, just something we do to keep our teeth looking clean and our breath fresh. But the truth is, oral hygiene is about so much more than just a nice smile. Poor oral hygiene has been strongly linked to serious health problems, including heart disease, stroke, and diabetes. These aren't just minor concerns, they're life-altering conditions that can be influenced by how well we care for our mouths. When you neglect your gums and teeth, harmful bacteria can build up in your mouth. If gum disease develops, these bacteria don't just stay put, they can enter your bloodstream through inflamed or bleeding gums. Once inside your body, they can trigger widespread inflammation, which is a major risk factor for many chronic diseases. This means that what happens in your mouth doesn't stay in your mouth, it can affect your entire body. Shockingly, nearly half of adults over the age of 30 have some form of gum disease, and many don't even realize it. Gum disease often develops silently, without obvious pain or symptoms, until it becomes more severe. This silent progression is why regular dental checkups are so important. The good news is that prevention is straightforward. Brushing your teeth twice a day with fluoride toothpaste and flossing once daily can make a huge difference. These simple habits remove plaque and food particles, helping to keep your gums healthy and your teeth strong. In addition to your home routine, seeing your dentist regularly for checkups and professional cleanings is essential. Dentists can spot early signs of gum disease and help you address problems before they become serious. If you struggle with brushing thoroughly, consider using an electric toothbrush. These devices are designed to clean more effectively, especially along the gum line and between teeth, making it easier to maintain good oral health. If you already have gum issues, don't worry. It's not too late. By improving your daily routine and getting professional cleanings, you can often reverse early gum disease and prevent further damage. Adding mouthwash and being consistent with your care can also help. Remember, your oral health is a window to your overall health. Dentists can sometimes spot signs of other health problems just by examining your mouth. Taking care of your teeth and gums is an investment in your whole body's well-being. So, don't skip those dental checkups. Mark them on your calendar, set reminders, and and make them a priority for yourself and your family. A healthy mouth isn't just about looking good, it's a big step toward living a longer, healthier life. Take care of your smile, and your whole body will thank you. Your thoughts matter more than you think. Chronic negative self-talk increases inflammation, disrupts sleep, and accelerates aging. Pessimists have higher rates of heart disease and shorter lifespans. The fix: cognitive reframing. Catch negative thoughts and shift them to something more balanced. Journaling and gratitude practices can rewire your brain for optimism. Even small mindset shifts lower anxiety and boost your immune system. Notice when you're spiraling and ask, is this really true? Optimism is a skill you can build. Change your inner dialogue, and you'll protect your body as well as your mind. A healthier mindset means a longer, happier life. Social isolation is as dangerous as smoking 15 cigarettes a day. Chronic loneliness activates stress pathways, weakens your immune system, and raises your risk of early death. It's not about how many friends you have, but whether you feel connected and valued. Make time for real connection. Call a friend, join a group, or volunteer. Even brief friendly interactions can lift your mood. Balance online connections with in-person experiences. Face-to-face contact releases oxytocin, reducing stress. If you're struggling, start small. Every bit of connection helps. You're not alone in feeling lonely. Reach out. Prioritize relationships for a longer, healthier life. Chronic stress is a silent killer, accelerating aging and raising your risk for disease. It shortens your telomeres, increases inflammation, and weakens your immune system. Recognize your stress triggers and practice mindfulness, meditation, deep breathing, and yoga all help. Exercise is a powerful stress buster and mood booster. Set boundaries around work and personal time. Take breaks and unplug. Make time for hobbies and relaxation. If you're overwhelmed, talk to someone. Don't bottle it up. Managing stress is an investment in your future. Handle stress well, and you'll live longer and feel better. Sitting too much is now as risky as smoking. Long periods of sitting slow your metabolism, weaken muscles, and raise your risk for obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. Stand up and move for 10 minutes every hour. Set reminders if you need to. Use standing desks, take walking meetings, and move during TV breaks. Even small bursts of activity add up. Track your movement with apps or gadgets if it helps. Your body was made to move. Every step counts toward a longer life. There you have it, 7 habits that could be quietly shortening your life. The good news? You can change every one of them, starting today. Small, consistent shifts add up to big results. Your daily habits matter more than you think. Stay curious, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video. Let me know if you need further tightening or want to adjust the tone.